welcome back to Swapna's Math Book. Hope you all are fine. Today we can continue our lesson Understanding Quadrilaterals. Today's topic is some special parallelograms. First one, rhombus. A rhombus is a four-sided shape where all sides have equal length. Also, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. The diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular bisectors of one another. A rhombus is sometimes called a rhomb or a diamond. See the figure. Rhombus ABCD, four-sided shape. Then all sides have equal length. That means AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CD is equal to AD. The sides have equal length. Also, opposite sides are parallel. AB, side AB, opposite side AD. So, AB parallel AD and BC parallel CD. Then opposite angles are equal. Angle A, opposite angle is angle C. So, angle A is equal to angle C and angle D opposite to angle B. So, angle D is equal to angle B. Then the diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular bisectors of one another. Diagonals, that is AC and BD are diagonals. So perpendicular bisectors, that is bisect means dividing exactly two equal parts. That is bisecting at a point O. So AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Next one, a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angles. It can also be defined as an equiangular quadrilateral. Equiangular means angles are equal in measure. See the figure. ABCD is a rectangle, then angle x degree. All angles are equal. Then let the measure of each angle be x. Then how we can find angle measure of each angle? See, we know already sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is, four sides are there. We can use the equation n minus 2 into 180. That is 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180 is 360. So 4x, x plus x plus x plus x. 4x is equal to 360. Then x is equal to 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90 degree. It's a right angle. So thus each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. 90 degree means right angle only. So each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. It's very important. So a rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. Next one. The diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. It's an important property. How we can prove this? See the figure. Rectangle ABCD. We can divide this rectangle as two triangles. Two triangles we will get. That is ABC. Triangle ABC. Then triangle ABD. Then we can use SAS condition, congruency condition. Consider triangles ABC and ABD. AB is equal to AB, base side, it's common side only. So AB is equal to AB. Then BC is equal to AD, BC. These two sides are equal. Then angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree because right angle, each angle is 90 degree. So two sides are equal and one angle also. So this congruency follows SAS condition, side angle side condition. So if so two sides and one angles are equal, then the third side also equal only. Third side is AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. So the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Next one, square. A square is a quadrilateral with equal sides and equal angles. Just like a rectangle, a square has 4 angles of 90 degree each. And important property, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. See the square ABCD. 4 sides are there, 4 angles are there. Just like rectangle, 4 angles are equal in measure, that is right angle 90 degree, and diagonals are of equal length. Perpendicular bisectors AC and BD bisect at a point O. So AC is equal to BD and OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Then what we have discussed in this lesson? First one, parallelogram. A quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel. Then properties. Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect one another. These are the points to remember in parallelogram. Then next is rhombus, a parallelogram with sides of equal length. We discussed in earlier classes. Then properties of rhombus, all the properties of parallelogram. Rhombus has all the properties of parallelogram, and also diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Then rectangle, a parallelogram with a right angle. It has all the properties of a parallelogram, and each of the angle is a right angle and diagonals are equal. Next one, square. A rectangle with sides of equal length. Then it has all the properties of a parallelogram, rhombus and a rectangle. Then kite. A quadrilateral with exactly 2 pairs of equal consecutive sides. We discussed in earlier classes. Quadrilateral kite. Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly 2 pairs of equal consecutive sides. That is, AD is equal to AB and BC is equal to DC. Then properties. The diagonals are perpendicular to one another. That is, AC and BD are diagonals. That is perpendicular only. Then one of the diagonals bisect the other. Second one. Then angle, important property, angle B is equal to angle D. These two angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D. But angle A not equal to angle C. These are the points to remember in this lesson. Hope you all are practicing well. Thank you.